In the past, we harvested our first harvest, which was radish. This little segment is the next to be harvested. You're gonna get to see a full guide on my favorite new salad straight from the garden with this radish. Of course, we had other things, but I'm gonna show you the next batch and hopefully you enjoy. This is the next batch here. This one's a little smaller. Oh, look at that purple one. So cool. Every once in a while you get a purple one. These two are purple. I could have let this one a little bit longer, but I like when they're small. I like bite-sized ones. Look at that one. It's a big boy. All right. Here's another one. A little one. I think that's enough for our small salad. We'll show you how it's done.
Radish is not only one thing what we have in our garden, and we have a really beautiful zucchini, and I will show you. Here is our zucchini. We put this just like for test. Let's see if it will grow up or not. And I can show you how it's look now. Look at that. It's already zucchini, and this one, it start growing so beautiful and big. And we put it a little bit late, but it still grew up. It's really beautiful. But here, it's my favorite. It's broccoli. Honestly, I don't know how to grow up broccoli, and for me it was just a test too. Probably it will not enough time grow up all the way, but it's already grew up really good. It's leaves, they're really big, and I hope something happened with this.
What's that behind you?
This is garlic. We have green onion here. We put in our one, and now it's grow up. We put with seeds and with small things like that. But it's already grew up, and it grew up really good.
This year we were the last people to plant potatoes. Why? Because we were demolishing and working on the plot. The videos of that exist. You can click the tag above. But just so I can show you how our potatoes are coming along, I'm gonna dig a little bit to see if they're doing okay, all right? I'm just gonna dig a little bit on the side until we get confirmation. Oh, there it is. And so in the future, we will be making like potato soups and different foods with potatoes. And this is the potato patch that we made. And I have maybe like 6 plants on my side. But that is what we have right now. We're so excited. We've shown it in the past video, but we didn't show the potatoes actually growing. We're really excited about it. Now let's go home and make this salad, my favorite salad, straight from the garden with the radish.
Hey, wait, we must take some dill for our salad. And thanks everyone who leave comment for me and say how it's called in English. Now I know it's dill. And I will take this for my salad because green onion is still so small, and I will use this one. But let's take some of this to home. A little scary, take it out. We'll stay. Okay. Okay, everyone can still grow up, but this will go to my salad. Smells delicious. And now we will go make the salad. So funny. Okay, now we can. You'll start be a little softer because it's hot outside. Okay, our salad done. Usually we made with sour cream, but today we unfortunately don't have it, and that's why I made it with mayonnaise. But it's still good and delicious, and we will enjoy it. Really good. You can leave comment if you like our small videos about cooking and our garden, and maybe in future we will make more videos like that when our potatoes will be ready. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.